Alright, new house. You said, where's my video? Where's my video? Well, here's your video, and this is what you're getting, so you better like it.
Punk ass.
Oh shit! Get your towels ready, it's about to go down! Everybody in the place hit the fucking deck! But stay on your motherfucking toes! We running this, let's go! I'm on a boat! I'm on a boat! Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat! I'm on a boat! I'm on a boat! Take a good hard look at the motherfucking boat! I'm on a boat, motherfucker, take a look at me! Straight floating on a boat on the deep sea. Busted 5 knots, wind whipping out my coat. You can't stop me, motherfucker, cause I'm on a boat. Picture trick, I'm on a boat, bitch. You drinking Santana shit, cause it's so crisp. I got my swim trunks and my flippin' floppies. I'm flipping burgers, you at Kinko straight flipping cabbage. I'm riding on a dolphin, doing flips and shit. The dolphin splashing, getting everybody all wet. But this ain't SeaWorld. This is real as it gets. I'm on a boat, motherfucker, don't you ever forget. I'm on a boat and it's going fast and I got an article team, pass me the Afghan. I'm the king of the world on a boat like Leo. If you own the show, then you show not Neo. Let's go, fuck up, this boat is real. Brooklyn, I'm on a boat, motherfucker. What trees I climb through these motherfuckers. I'm on the deck with my boys, motherfucker. The boat engine make noise, motherfucker. Hey, ma, if you can see me now, arms spread wide on the summer bow. Gonna fly this boat to the moon somehow. Like Captain Garnett, anything is possible.
Never thought I'd be on the road. It's a big blue watery road. The silent look at me. Never thought I'd see the day when a big boat's coming my way. Believe me when I say I fought the mermaid.
I'm on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the motherfucking boat.
Yeah.
That's what you get! You better like it too!